Not even a fan of olives, but I had to buy this. I can't even. Look at that. I haven't seen that in Tesco's at the last year. Mozzarella balls, German style salami, some tried tomatoes with garlic stuffed. Oh my God, how did they do it? You get a little stick, but I'll just do one for the lols. But really, I think, come on, you little. So you're supposed to put that on, the French fried tomato, a olive, and then a bit of salami. And then obviously, oh look, and it's got little Christmas trees. It comes with more of that, but I've saved them. And then you put them as a little platter. Not me though. Those are big olives. I want to like olives. I do a little bit, I think. Like, I don't hate them. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm going to use the same one because, oh God, oh my God. Like, I know that you're supposed to share these, but at the end of the day, there is no rule on it. No one in my house is going to eat these. Let's do some spicy ranch. Mmm. Guys, run, don't walk. I mean, Tommy will eat the salami. He likes the salami. All the kids like salami, actually, but I can just buy salami anyway. Right, let's try it with the nacho cheese. We're just trying it with... Come on. Come on. I don't want to get it on everything, you know? Oh, that's a bit of a... Whoa! Mmm. Mmm. Right, let's do another one. Oh no, I did that the wrong way. Never mind. I can't believe I'm eating these olives. Do you know what it is? It's because it's all together. Give me an olive. It's like Marmite. Do you know what I mean? Like, you want to like it. We're going to go for this. Home Bargains, by the way. Tesco's. That's not my dog. This is where I'm going to go wrong. Oh, come on. Oh, God. Is it coming or is that the sauce? It's not, is it? And now I've got it on everything. Oh, God. What are you doing? That's way too much. Done it. Done it now. There's no going back. Oh, yeah. That was good. Should we do another one of those? That sauce. Shall I do another one? Am I stupid to? Or maybe I should wait. Oh, well. Oh, God. Now I need some carbonara noodles. Haven't got any. Sorry. I'm just chatting away to myself here. Like, I don't even know what's going on. This is thoroughly enjoying. And I need to go and get that. Look at that. Guys, what's going on? This is very, very appetizing. Right. I'm just going to eat the whole thing. No, I'm actually not. I'm actually going down my mum's in a minute. And, oh, that's spicy. One more. And then that's literally... I've got to admit, that spice on there, that is something. Do you know what I mean? Oh, I don't know why I do it to myself. It's because I bloody love it. That's why my nose is running. It's just, oh, God, that's lovely. Ready? Oh, Tesco's getting a survivor at the moment. Which is quite pricey, but I needed it. Next thing, I'm going to go down M&S and get that fondue thing. I'll just keep remembering. I'll do that next week. Anyway, see you later.